Avoid costly thermostat errors. Learn exactly how to determine whether your new digital thermostat needs additional system programming and how to set it up correctly the first time. Most modern digital thermostats require a manual setup step, so they correctly recognize your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. Start by identifying your system type and power source. Confirm whether you have a conventional one-stage heat and one-stage cool system, a heat pump, or multi-stage equipment, and whether the thermostat is powered by a common wire or batteries. Next, read the manufacturer mode list and enter setup or program mode immediately after wiring so the unit can auto-detect or be told the correct equipment configuration. If the manual lists jumpers or software options for fan control, changeover valve orientation, or auxiliary heat, set those now. Test each terminal by energizing the system. Call for heat and cool separately and watch for correct compressor, reversing valve, blower, and stage transitions. Listen for compressor start delays and watch for short cycling, which indicates miswiring or wrong system type selection. If a thermostat supports equipment calibration, run any built-in learning routines so the control learns minimum runtimes and stage delivery behavior. For heat pumps, calibrate the changeover valve and set the auxiliary heat lockout temperature. Use the menu to set fan operation to on, auto, or circulate per your system's blower control, and confirm the thermostat's internal settings match the wiring labels at the air handler or furnace control board. For systems with zone dampers or separate heating and cooling sources, enable zone control or dual fuel logic and assign appropriate stage priorities so the thermostat coordinates equipment rather than fighting it. If your thermostat connects to a remote sensor or indoor humidity control, pair devices in setup and configure maximum call times and hysteresis to prevent unnecessary short cycles. Set minimum on and off times if available. Finally, document the final configuration. Take a photo of the wiring and settings, and advise the homeowner to monitor performance for 24 to 48 hours for any edge case behaviors like late-night short cycles or unexpected auxiliary heat activation. One of the most common thermostat installation mistakes is wrong wiring or misidentified terminals leading to thermostat not calling for heat or cool. Fix this by verifying terminal labels at the air handler, using a multimeter to confirm voltage where necessary, and following the manufacturer terminal legend exactly. Second is failing to set system type. So the thermostat never recognizes heat pump versus conventional heating, which causes compressor lockouts or constant auxiliary heat. Fix by entering setup mode and selecting the correct system type and reversing valve orientation. Third is skipping calibration and learning routines, resulting in frequent short cycling or improper stage sequencing. 2. Fix by running built-in calibration, setting minimum run times, and configuring stage thresholds and lockouts per the manual. BigHomeProjects.com lists qualified local HVAC professionals and includes contractor profiles with verified reviews that make it easier to find a pro if the setup is beyond DIY. We help contractors gain visibility and get matched with homeowners needing reliable thermostat installation and system programming services.